Welcome back to Broncos and Parts Garage. My name's Chris. If you're new to the channel, please stick around to the end. You'll see additional links for content we've already created and uploaded. Last week, I posted a short teaser video about a new product coming from LMR, Late Model Restoration. It arrived. I'm really excited to show you this. For those of you who don't know, they have just started selling products for their 92 through 96 Ford Bronco and obviously the F-Series trucks of the same years. Guys, I'm really excited to show you this. It's a steering wheel, a perforated leather steering wheel, brand new, that fits the 94 through 96 airbag equipped OBS Ford trucks and full-size Broncos. Let's get this thing open. They packaged it well, but here's the wheel. I'm gonna talk about it, then I'll zoom in on this thing. Perforated leather, as I said, there's no dangling stitches. It looks really nice. It's got an aluminum chassis. There's a steel spline insert for your steering shaft. I've made videos on how to put these in and pull them out, so I'll put a link in the description below. I'll also put a link where you can get this steering wheel from LMR, but it is airbag compatible. It's got your horn cutouts right here, or horn slots. I'll probably do a part 3 video where I show you how to remove your switchery, your cruise control, and your horn buttons and reinstall them in this. It's very, very simple. All the bosses are here. This thing is constructed nice. I've got big bear paws for hands. I can get my hand all the way around this thing. Most of these steering wheels are now, 25 to 30 years old. They're mushy, or you've never even had your hand on a leather steering wheel because it's peeled off and it's just that vinyl plastic wheel that we're all stuck with. So rather than recovering your wheel, give this one a shot. Again, I'll put links for LMR in the description below. I want to thank them for sending me this wheel. I can't wait to put it on my 96 behind me. We'll see you next time.